This is by far the most accurate thing I've ever said on the internet. To nearly all tech questions, the only correct first answer is, it depends. This is simultaneously a learning tip for people just getting started in tech and a cautionary reminder for the experienced folks. When you're new to this stuff, hopefully you're lucky enough to be working with a few it depensers. These are the people that will take the time to ask you about what you're actually trying to do and the constraints and objectives for whatever you're creating, and only then make suggestions. If you're around a lot of super confident people who just tell you how to do it without asking questions first, you're probably working with dipshits. To be fair, if the question is occurring in a particular context, like a job where a certain type of thing like reporting or web prototyping or creating a new app database is always done using specific tools and methods, then it is reasonable that many questions will have prescriptive default answers. However, anything that's at all novel or new really shouldn't. The only right answer is, it depends, followed by a Q&A session. This is a great way to explore whether someone is a hammer trying to turn every problem into a nail. Test your colleagues on this. Ask a how should I question that doesn't have enough context and see what they say. This is also a good approach when interviewing someone. If someone commits quickly to an implementation approach with no questions or caveats, their experience has probably been pretty narrow and they may lack the most important trait in tech, which is to ask a lot of questions. Talk is cheap, but realizing after 2 months of dev that there's a critical real-time analytics requirement will ensure that your knee-jerk decision to go with MongoDB will haunt you forever, Calvin. And now at substantial cost and a month of delay, I'm building a separate reporting data mart, Calvin. You happy now? Oh no, you did not just say it depends, motherfucker.